Hello guys, good evening everybody from Ashok Bhardwaj. Welcome to again English vocabulary class, daily use English sentences. Student, in this class I wrote for you some most important daily use English sentences. So don't waste time, now hurry up. Students, word number first, Jamila, trouble. Jamila, trouble. Number two, Nail-Nuts, facial features. Nail-Nuts, facial feature. Clear? Next word number 3, दूरियां बनाना, to create distance. दूरियां बनाना, to create distance. Number 4, दरिंदगी, cruelty. Number 5, हाव expressions. Number 6, सोचने पर मजबूर, forced to think. सोचने पर मजबूर, forced to think. Clear? Number 7, दफनाया, buried. Number 7, दफनाया, buried. Number 8, नजर पड़ना, to notice. Clear? Number 7, तमाम, all या whole. Number 9, तमाम, all या whole. Number 10, दिमाग में बैठाना, to fix in mind. दिमाग में बैठाना, to fix in mind. Isn't that so? Number 11, रामबाण सिद्धोना, a perfect solution. रामबाण सिद्धोना, a perfect solution. Isn't that so? Move to the next word number 12. बहुत जरूरी. Word next sentence, बहुत जरूरी, very important. Clear? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 13. काम के प्रति ईमानदार, honest toward works. काम के प्रति ईमानदार, honest toward work. Clear? Next sentence. Sentence number 14. जागरूक होना, to be alert. जागरूक होना, to be alert. Isn't that so? Next word number 15. हाव भाव को समझना, to understand gestures. हाव भाव को समझना, to understand gestures. Okay students, today's class ended here. Thanks for this cooperation.